As you enjoy the before and after pics of this beautiful transformation, kindly don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe and share. DIY World Craft Ventures yet again, and glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming a long mermaid black dress into a beautiful jumpsuit. So do stay till the end, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment down in the comment section below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you and I don't take you for granted. So let's get right into the video. This is the dress before it is transformed. It is a long, beautiful black mermaid dress, and the reason I'm transforming it is because it has been in my wardrobe for such a long time without me having it on, because for some reasons long dresses are for church or dinner dates. Yet I want to enjoy my dress as much as I can. So we'll need the dress, of course. We'll need a trouser, we'll need a scissor, we'll need a thread, and then we'll need a needle. So that is the dress, and this is the trouser I'm gonna be using, and I'm just going to place the trouser on top of the dress to help me cut out unnecessary parts. So make sure the dress is placed on a flat plain surface, and then the trouser on top, and just make sure that everything is straight before you cut out the part. This is the most basic method. There are so many ways of cutting out at this point, but the method I'm using is the most basic and starter or beginner friendly method that anyone can do at any time. So I will cut out the unnecessary parts, and after that is done, I'm just removing them to show you what the outcome is, and then I'm going to just take out the trouser, and you can see the result. I now have my jumpsuit. At this point it is not threaded yet, so I'll just go ahead with my threaded needle and thread the inner parts, and the outer parts are just going to remain that way because there is a style I am aiming for. So at this point I'm just going to start my sewing, and after that I'm just going to have the jumpsuit on so that you can see the result, and for sure you're going to love it. If still you haven't subscribed, kindly just take 1 or 2 seconds and subscribe, like the video, and leave a sweet comment down in the comment section below. Let's interact and let me know whether or not you love the video. Do you love the dress before the transformation, or do you love the transformation? Until next time, bye and peace. Kindly do check out my other videos. I promise you're going to love them.